Hey guys, another quick update here. This is night 2 of my little autopilot assembly project. The boards came last night, and so tonight I got out my soldering iron and started putting it together. Found a few little things that I had to work around, but for the most part, everything fits. Even the beagle bone fit into the holes I drew out for it. Um, the teensy's up and running the firmware. It's finding the IMU, which is the little purple one right there. Um, and the power regulator is putting out 5 volts. The beagle bone's up and running, talking to the teensy. So things are starting to come together here. I need to add a GPS and telemetry radio modem. Those should just be a matter of putting on the connectors. PWM outputs, S-bus input. Yeah, so there's a few little things left. Right now, I have my little power supply feeding in a little over 7 volts, and it's drawing 191 milliamps, under 200 milliamps. So it's not pulling too much power right now. Blinking its little LEDs. So far, so good. I'm excited. Maybe we'll be flying here in a couple years. Alright, thanks for watching.